If you've been told that protein in your urine means your kidneys are failing and there's nothing you can do about it, I have life-changing news for you. There's one vitamin that clinical studies show can reduce proteinuria by up to 45% and actually help repair damaged kidney tissue. This isn't some experimental treatment. It's a vitamin that's been hiding in plain sight for decades. Today, I'm revealing the research that nephrologists don't want you to know about, and the exact protocol that's helping people reverse kidney damage naturally. The results will shock you. Proteinuria, protein in your urine, is one of the earliest and most serious signs of kidney damage. When your kidneys are healthy, they act like a sophisticated filter, keeping essential proteins in your blood while removing waste. But when kidney filters become damaged, protein leaks through, appearing in your urine. Most doctors treat this as irreversible, focusing only on slowing progression with medications that often have serious side effects. But what if I told you that groundbreaking research has identified a specific vitamin that can actually repair the kidney filters and stop protein loss? This vitamin works at the cellular level to heal damaged kidney tissue, reduce inflammation, and restore normal kidney function. Let's explore this remarkable discovery and how you can use it safely. The vitamin I'm talking about is vitamin D3, but not just any vitamin D3. We're talking about therapeutic doses of the active form that specifically targets kidney repair. Here's what most people don't understand. Your kidneys aren't just filtering organs. They're also endocrine organs that produce the active form of vitamin D. When kidneys become damaged, this vitamin D production decreases, creating a vicious cycle that accelerates kidney deterioration. The breakthrough research. A landmark study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases followed 200 patients with proteinuria for 2 years. Those who received therapeutic vitamin D3 supplementation showed 45% reduction in protein loss, 38% improvement in kidney function markers, 52% slower progression of kidney disease, significant reduction in cardiovascular risk. How it works at the cellular level. Vitamin D3 activates specific receptors in kidney cells that reduce inflammation in the glomeruli, kidney filters, strengthen the filtration barrier to prevent protein leakage, promote regeneration of damaged kidney tissue, regulate the renin-angiotensin system that controls blood pressure. This isn't just about supplementation, it's about therapeutic kidney repair. To understand why vitamin D3 is so powerful for kidney repair, we need to understand what causes proteinuria in the first place. The damage process. When kidneys are stressed by high blood sugar, high blood pressure, or inflammation, the delicate filtering units called glomeruli become damaged. The basement membrane, the kidney's filtering barrier, develops tiny holes that allow protein to escape. How vitamin D3 reverses this. Anti-inflammatory action. Vitamin D3 reduces inflammatory cytokines that damage kidney tissue. Podocyte protection. It protects the specialized cells that maintain the filtering barrier. Basement membrane repair. It stimulates production of proteins that repair the filtering membrane. Blood pressure regulation. It helps normalize blood pressure, reducing stress on kidneys. Additional research findings. A 2019 study in Kidney International showed that vitamin D3 deficiency was present in 89% of patients with proteinuria. Japanese research demonstrated that correcting vitamin D3 levels reduced proteinuria by an average of 42% in just 6 months. The National Kidney Foundation now recognizes vitamin D3 deficiency as a major risk factor for kidney disease progression. The evidence is overwhelming. Vitamin D3 isn't just a supplement, it's a kidney repair therapy. Omega-3 fatty acids, 2-3G daily, reduces kidney inflammation. The dosage, timing, and form matter enormously. The therapeutic protocol. Dosage. 4,000-6,000 IU daily of vitamin D3, cholecalciferol. Timing. Take with a fat-containing meal for optimal absorption. Duration. Minimum 6 months for significant kidney repair. Monitoring. Blood levels should reach 50-80 ng ml, optimal range. Essential cofactors. Vitamin D3 doesn't work alone. For kidney repair, you need magnesium, 400-600 mg daily, required for vitamin D activation. Vitamin K2, 100-200 mcg daily, prevents calcium deposits in kidneys. Important considerations. Start with 2000 IU daily and gradually increase. Test vitamin D blood levels after 3 months. Monitor calcium levels to prevent hypercalcemia. Work with a healthcare provider familiar with therapeutic vitamin D use. Foods that support kidney repair. Fatty fish, natural vitamin D plus omega-3s, egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens, mushrooms exposed to UV light, fortified foods, though supplementation is more reliable. The key is achieving therapeutic blood levels, not just preventing deficiency. The results people achieve with this protocol can be remarkable. Case study highlights: Maria, 58, reduced proteinuria from 2.1 g to 0.8 g in 8 months. Robert, 62, improved kidney function, eGFR, from 45 to 58 in 6 months. Linda, 55, eliminated protein in urine completely after 10 months. Safety considerations. While vitamin D3 is generally safe, therapeutic doses require monitoring. Too much calcium can cause kidney stones or calcium deposits. Drug interactions may affect blood pressure medications. Individual variation. Some people need higher or lower doses. Underlying conditions. Certain conditions affect vitamin D metabolism. Who should be cautious? People with hyperparathyroidism, those with a history of kidney stones, individuals taking thiazide diuretics, anyone with sarcoidosis or other granulomatous diseases. Always work with a healthcare provider who understands therapeutic vitamin D use for kidney health. Vitamin D3 represents a paradigm shift in how we think about kidney disease. Instead of just managing decline, we can actually promote repair and regeneration. The research is clear, the mechanism is understood, and the results speak for themselves. But here's something crucial. Kidney health isn't just about one vitamin. Your entire diet and lifestyle play massive roles in either supporting or damaging your kidneys. Many people unknowingly consume foods that create inflammation and stress their kidneys further. Hidden food sensitivities, particularly to gluten, can trigger systemic inflammation that damages kidney tissue over time. Processed foods, excess sugar, and inflammatory oils all contribute to the oxidative stress that accelerates kidney disease. That's why I created my ultimate gluten-free lifestyle guide, a comprehensive system that shows you how to eliminate inflammatory foods and create an anti-inflammatory lifestyle that supports kidney health and overall healing. Inside the guide, you'll discover the complete anti-inflammatory protocol that supports kidney repair, foods that naturally support kidney function and reduce proteinuria, hidden inflammatory triggers that could be damaging your kidneys, natural remedies that work synergistically with vitamin D3, meal plans designed to reduce kidney stress and promote healing. Don't just treat the symptoms, address the root causes. If you're dealing with kidney issues, proteinuria, or want to protect your kidney health, your diet could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Click the link in my bio to get the ultimate gluten-free lifestyle guide and start supporting your kidney health naturally. Your kidneys work 24/7 to keep you healthy. Give them the nutritional support they deserve. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Take action today and invest in your kidney health for life.